Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you what you can do if Roblox is not sending the two-step verification code. So if you can't log into your account, just open up the browser on your phone and search for issues with two-step verification, Roblox. And click on this, troubleshooting two-step verification. Now, if you're not receiving the code, just make sure that you are not receiving the code in the first place. So check your email and check the spam folder. So your verification code may be in the spam folder or the junk folder on your phone. If you are 100% sure that it's not sending the verification code, you will click on this option here, customer support. So just click on customer support here. It's going to take us to this page. You will need to enter your birth year, date. So just fill out this information. I'm going to do this. Click on continue. All right, so it's going to ask for your email address. So make sure you type out your email address here and confirm it. And afterwards, choose the device which you're having the problem on. So I'm doing this on iPhone. I'll click on iPhone. Type of help category, this is very important. You will click on account hacked or can't log in. And subcategory is going to be two-step verification. All right, so right here, what you're going to say is my account email is, and here's where you will type out your account email. So I'm just going to do this. Okay, so my account email is this, and I'm not receiving my two-step verification code. Help me. Okay, so after you have typed this, just make sure that you have put your email address and tapped it again in the confirm email address field here, and then you will click on continue, and this is going to send the email and they'll help you recover your account and give you the two-step verification codes. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.